Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English, the topper's choice. In this video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 12th, fourth story from the book Vistas, The Enemy. Here we go. Question number 1. Who is the author of the story The Enemy? Options are Pearl S. Buck, Charles Dickens, D.H. Lawrence or Jack Finney? And the right answer is Pearl S. Buck. Question number 2. Why did Dr. Sadao treat the soldier when he was from enemy's nationality? Options are he was a doctor, it was against his professional ethics, as a doctor he could not let anyone die, or all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. Question number 3. Who was Dr. Sadao? Options are an Indian doctor, an American doctor, a Japanese doctor, or a Chinese doctor. And the correct answer is a Japanese doctor. Question number 4. How did Hannah help Dr. Sadao? Options are by assisting him, by giving him money, by giving him tools, or by working as a nurse. And the right answer is by working as a nurse. Question number 5. Why did the general not pass orders to arrest Dr. Sadao for giving space to a white man? Options are because he trusted him, because he needed him, general was not in good health and needed his services, or none of the above. And the right option is general was not in good health and needed his services. Question number 6. Why did Dr. Sadao become irritable and impatient with his patient? Options are because of his inability to leave the white man to help his distressed wife, because of many patients, because of general's pressure, or all these. And the right answer is because of his inability to leave the white man to help his distressed wife. Question number 7. Why did Dr. Sadao's wife feel distressed? Options are seeing many patients, seeing general's reaction, seeing the orders, or seeing white man's blood. And the right answer is seeing white man's blood. Question number 8. Why did the surgeon speak sharply to his wife? Options are to get things he needed, to get her help, to stop any disturbance that could lead to harm the wounded man, or none. And the right option is to stop any disturbance that could lead to harm the wounded man. Question number 9. What was Hannah's reaction over her husband's words? Options are she held her mouth with her hands and vomited outside the operation room, she shouted, she cried, or she stopped helping him. And the right answer is she held her mouth with her hands and vomited outside the operation room. Question number 10. Why did Hannah wash the wounded man herself? Options are because of her servants, because her servants ran away, because her servants refused to help an American enemy soldier, or none. And the right answer is because her servants refused to help an American enemy soldier. Question number 11. Why did the servants refuse to help? Options are out of fears, because of superstitions, Because the patient was an American soldier, or all these? And the right answer is all these. Question number 12. How did Dr. Sadao ensure that the American soldier had left safely? Options are by escorting him, by seeing no signal of flashlight, by giving him a call, or none of the above. And the right answer is by seeing no signal of flashlight. Question number 13. Why did Dr. Sadao marry a Japanese girl only? Options are because he liked Japanese, he didn't like any other nationality, because of his father's fear, or because he didn't want to upset his father. And the right option is because he didn't want to upset his father. Question number 14. What kind of a person was Dr. Sadao's father? Options are a serious person, a jolly good man, a very strict person, or a true patriot and traditional person. And the right answer is a true patriot and traditional person. Question number 15. Why did the messenger come to the doctor? Options are to meet him, for checkup, to inform about the general's pain, or all these. And the right answer is to inform about the general's pain. Question number 16. Seeing the messenger, what was Hannah's reaction? Options are she got frightened, she thought he has come to arrest her husband, he was general's man, or all these. And the right option is all these. Question number 17. What kind of person the general was? Options are a kind-hearted, a wise man, a selfish man, or none. And the right answer is a selfish man. Question number 18. Why did General spare the white American soldier? Options are to spare his own life, he himself was in pain, needed Dr. Sadao's help, or all these. And the right option is all these. Question number 19. How did Dr. Sadao get rid of the American soldier? Options are by giving him instructions, by giving him flashlight to use in times of distress, by asking him to row to the island, or all these. And the right option is all these. Question number 20. Why was Dr. Sadao not sent to the battlefield? Options are because he had no interest, he didn't love his country, he was supposed to offer his services to the general who was in pain, or all these. And the right answer is he was supposed to offer his services to the general who was in pain. Question number 21. Why did Dr. Sadao give his flashlight to the enemy soldier? Options are to help him, to show him the way in the dark, so that he could send him signal in case of any distress, or all these. And the right answer is so that he could send him signal in case of any distress. Question number 22. What was General's plan for American soldier? Options are he wanted him to reach safely, will inform his country, will get him assassinated by some private assassins, or none. And the right answer is will get him assassinated by some private assassins. Question number 23. Why did the servants leave Dr. Sadow's house? Options are because the white man was wounded, because the white man was dirty, because the white man was an American soldier and they didn't like him, or all of the above. And the right answer is because the white man was an American soldier and they didn't like him. Question number 24. Where did Dr. Sadow find the American soldier? Options are in the park, in the battlefield, outside his house, or none. And the right answer is outside his house. Question number 25. Why did Dr. Sadow help an enemy soldier? Options are because he was an ethical and sincere doctor, because he was his friend, because he knew him, or none. And the right answer is because he was an ethical and sincere doctor. Question number 26. What conflicting ideas disturbed Dr. Sadow's mind after he brought American soldier? Options are duty of a doctor and loyalty towards nation, his wife's health and general's health, patient's health and servants, or servants' behavior. And the right answer is duty of a doctor and loyalty towards nation. Question number 27. How did Dr. Sadow emerge successfully out of all the conflicts? Options are by throwing the patients out of his house, by sending his servants out of the house, by succumbing before the general, or by saving soldier's life as a sincere doctor and helping him to escape. And the right answer is by saving soldier's life as a sincere doctor and helping him to escape. Question number 28. What kind of person Dr. Sadow was? Options are an excellent doctor, a compassionate human being, sincere and responsible citizen, or all of the above. And the right option is all of the above. Question number 29. What idea do you form of Dr. Sadow after reading the lesson? Options are an excellent doctor, a compassionate human being, sincere and responsible citizen, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Question number 30. What were the dominant traits of Dr. Sadow's personality? Options are expertise in his profession and compassion as a human, obstinate, doesn't like to obey anyone, rude. And the right option is expertise in his profession and compassion as a human. Question number 31. Why did Dr. Sadow go to America? Options are to meet the soldiers, to meet his friends, to travel, or to study surgery and medicine, which was his father's wish. And the right answer is to study surgery and medicine, which was his father's wish. Question number 32. What did Dr. Sadow give to the soldier? Options are his boat, food to eat, flashlight to use in distress, or all these. And the right option is all these. Question number 33. What does this chapter revolve around? Options are war, war between Israel and America, war between Malaysia and America, or war between Japan and America. And the right answer is war between Japan and America? Question number 34. What does the narrator speak about in the beginning of the chapter? Options are the war, the general, Dr. Sadow's childhood and his father, the servants and Dr. Sadow's wife. And the right answer is Dr. Sadow's childhood and his father. Question number 35. Where did Dr. Sadaw meet Hannah? Options are in Japan, in his neighbor, in the battlefield, or at Professor Harley's house in America. And the right answer is at Professor Harley's house in America. Question number 36. Why did Dr. Sadaw feel alone at the beach? Options are for not bringing his wife with him, for not listening to General, for saving an American soldier's life, or none. And the right answer is for saving an American soldier's life. Question number 37. At what age Dr. Sadaw went to America? Options are 22, 32, 12, or 42. And the right answer is 22. Question number 38. At what age he came back to Japan? Options are 20, 40, 50, or 30. And the right answer is 30. Question number 39. How many children Dr. Sadaw had? Options are 4, 5, 3, or 2. And the correct answer is 2. Question number 40. What did Dr. Sadaw remember towards the end of the story? Options are the professor at whose house he had met Hannah in America, his old teacher of anatomy, the face of his fat and slatternly landlady, or all these. And the right option is all these. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.